Hi, my name is Luke, and this is Tips on how to fix the Flash player in Firefox. If you're using Firefox, but you notice your Flash player is problematic, what you're going to want to do is first go to Adobe's test page to determine if you have Flash player installed. It's adobe.com/software/Flash and about. Here you can see which version of Flash you have installed. If you're still experiencing problems with Flash player, what you're going to want to do is uninstall it and then reinstall it. This will fix most of the problems with Flash player. You can do this by going to Start, Control Panel, Programs and Features, and then where you see Adobe Flash Player, Plugin, and ActiveX, make sure you uninstall both of them. Do this with the Firefox browser closed. Next, go back to the same web page as before, adobe.com/software/Flash/about. This will allow you to reinstall Flash Player. And that's it.